Hi everyone, I'm Claire and this is the channel to share super fun STEAM activities. Today, we are going to make a tornado in a jar. This is very simple but beautiful and interesting. Follow me, make your own tornado in a jar, and learn what a vortex is. Here we go! The materials we need today are dish soap, mason jar, and water. Optional materials are plastic beads, food coloring, and glitter. Fill the jar with water. Actually, there is no scientifically accurate amount, but I would like to recommend you to fill the jar only to the neck, not to the full of the jar. Spin it around and watch. Look! There is a small tornado in the jar. Now, put a little bit of dish soap, then you can see the tornado a lot easier. See? You really see the tornado better this way. One small problem is, the more you spin it around, the more bubbles it gets and becomes too cloudy. If you have food coloring and some glitter, you can add them to see the tornado better. You can see that blue and silver glitter swirling around the outside of the tornado. This science activity is very simple, easy, and beautiful. This circular motion is called a vortex. To explain how a vortex works, I'm going to use some plastic beads. Same as glitter, you can see the beads swirling around the outside of the tornado. But look! Can you see some beads are getting soaked up? A vortex is a physics phenomenon that occurs when gas or liquid moves in circles. So yes, vortex is a mass of spinning air or liquid, and it tends to pull things into the center of the circle. When you spin the jar around, it creates a vortex. It makes air come in and water flow out. That's why it pulls off some beads. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, I get dizzy because it spins round and round. What is this called? I don't know. I heard it, but I forgot. Claire called this vor something. I don't know. Good morning. Oh, good morning, Belle. Oh, you made a vortex. Vor what? This circular motion is called a vortex. Hurricanes, tornadoes, water flowing down the drain, and air moving over a plane wing are the example of vortices. There is a vortex line at the center. A vortex is formed when there is a difference in the velocity of what surrounds the line. It tends to pull things into the center of the circle. Water flowing down the drain or maelstrom in seas has a downdraft. Hurricanes and tornadoes have updrafts. Wow! How do you know that? I read it in the science books in Claire's Science Lab. There are many books. Haven't you read them yet? Yeah, we haven't yet. Oh, when you have time, go to Claire's room and read some books. Those books made me love science. Science is really fun. That's wonderful. Hope you enjoy reading them. Talk to you later. Bye. Bye-bye. Anyone want to read a book? Me. Cool, let's go. This is for today. Try it at home and tell me how you go by leaving a comment. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you can receive more contents like this. Thank you. Bye.